Horses out. We have Z Master pass to begin. Party out, so now is Grand Affair. Speed Madonna comes next, then followed by Honor Rosa alongside Wheel of Destiny. In the middle portion, Ale Vergara, Mr. Victory, and War Alert trails the field. Into the turn they go. Z Master, the leader by Oralenka. Right behind in second is Grand Affair. Honor Rose is down in third, Vergara in fourth, Wheel of Destiny in fifth, Speed Madonna in sixth, Mr. Victory seventh, Danori inside, Alea, and too far behind this War Alert. They swing into the bag. Seamaster, Grand Affair now takes the lead. It's now Grand Affair, Seamaster, Vergara, Wheel of Destiny now moving a party outside. Honor Rose in fourth, Mr. Victory. It's now Grand Affair by Oralenka. Vergara is by the Wheel of Destiny is on the outside, and followed by Honor Rose, Mr. Victory. But it's still Grand Affair, followed by Wheel of Destiny on the outside. Vergara, Honor Rose, Mr. Victory. As they come down at the last 200, Grand Affair moving up, Wheel of Destiny on the outside, Vergara in third. But it's still Grand Affair, Wheel of Destiny fighting it out for the lead. Wheel of Destiny, Grand Affair, Vergara is on the outside. It's now Wheel of Destiny, followed now by Vergara, and finally Wheel of Destiny, Vergara, Grand Affair. Close between Mr.